Welcome to my channel. Today I'm collabing with Hurela Hair. They sent me this bomb 99J curly wig. It is a T-part closure, y'all. So I will be installing it with y'all, showing everything that I did to get this look. Very easy install. Literally very easy install. This is like my third time working with this company. So y'all, let's get right into this video.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you.
So guys, I am using this edge wax stick. If you have not invested into wax sticks for your wigs, definitely do, y'all. It definitely works wonder. Like, it definitely, you will see the difference when you use a wax stick. I only tried 2 kinds, but I definitely recommend. It just helps the hair maintain a lot better when you're using a hot comb. I'm lightly plucking. As y'all know, I do not pluck my wigs because I sell my wigs. I only keep the wigs on for about 1 to 3 days. So I do sell the wigs when I am done with them. So I don't do too much, customization. I let the next person do that. I mostly use concealer, y'all. As you can see right now, concealer and 1 layer of glue. That's all I will be using. Very easy install. I don't know. I just feel like it's very easy. It's very simple. It's just like, I feel like I done did it so much that it's like easy. Like, I don't know, somebody was in the comments saying that I install my wig so easily, or I make it look so easy, and it's just like, I done did it for quite some time now, and I'm still learning every time I do a different wig. But yeah, y'all, it's really easy install.
We can get away. Home cheese beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around.
I know a lot of people don't do this, but when I wear curly hair, I like to comb out the curls and then like recreate them with the mousse or whatever I'm using with the conditioner. Because y'all, that hair sheds. Like as you can see on my hand, it is a lot of hair once I done, went through it and combed through it. So yes, I definitely recommend with any curly hair to define, the exact curls, the exact pattern. Like sis, just comb out your curls and then recreate them. It definitely works. It definitely helps. So this is the completed look. I want to show you guys how the hair looked at wet and then how the hair looked at dry. So this is how it looks in the wet stage. Y'all definitely love this color on my skin. Definitely love the color. Definitely love everything about this, y'all. Everything will be in the description box as well as my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with Hurela Hair. Literally, y'all, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. And I will see y'all in my next video.